Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will do subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Okay? We will do subtraction of 3-digit number. See, sometimes we may need to regroup 100 to 10 ones. Suppose we have the number 210. So, we have to give this 1 to 110 to 10 ones and 100 to 10 tens. Okay? This is how we have to regroup the number. Now see the example. First we have to write the places: ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Now we have to write the number 573, 256. Now we have to subtract these numbers. So we have to subtract the ones first. So since there are not enough ones, so we have to regroup the tens to ones. So we have to regroup the tens to ones. Okay? See, 710 will become 6 and this 1 will give to 1 and the 3 ones will become 13 ones. Now 13 minus 6 is what? 13 minus 6 is what? Yes, 13 minus 6 is what? Yes, 7. Now 6. Now we have to subtract 6 tens and 5 tens. So what we get the answer? 1 tens. 1 ten. Okay? We get 1 ten. Now we have to subtract the 100. 5 hundreds minus 2 hundreds. So we get the 3 hundreds. So we get the answer after regrouping 317. Okay? This is how we have to regrouping the numbers. Now see another example. We will take the number 358 means 358 and 186. Now we have to put the sign of subtraction. Now we have to first we have to subtract the ones, 8 ones and 6 ones. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So we get 2 ones. Now subtract, we have to subtract the ones. So since there are not enough tens, so we have to subtract the tens. So here we don't have enough tens, so we have to regrouping the 3 hundreds to tens ones. So 3 will, if we will give 1 to the tens, so 5 10 will become 15 tens and 300 will become 2 hundreds. So 15 minus 8 is what? 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay? And 2 minus 1. Now we have to subtract the hundreds, means 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get the answer 172. So this is how we have to regrouping the hundreds to tens. See one more example. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, now see, 827 and 365. See, first we have to subtract the numbers that are placed at ones place. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now we have to subtract 2 minus 6. So we have to regroup the 800, means 8 will become 7 and 2 tens will become 12 tens. So 12 minus 6 is what? 12 minus 6 is 6. अगर हम इसको 1 देते हैं, मीन्स 100 वाला नंबर 1 टेंस को देता है, सो वो नंबर डबल हो जाता है और मीन्स 1 लग जाता है इसके आगे, और 100 जो नंबर देता है तो जो नंबर होता है उसमें से हम 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. सो वी गेट 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So we get the answer 462. Now see, regrouping twice. Okay, now regrouping twice. Now we have the numbers. First we have to write places. Now we have the numbers 451 and 163. Now we have to subtract the numbers. So first we have to subtract the ones. So since there are not enough ones, so we have to regroup, means 5 tens and 1 ones. So 5 tens, if we give 1, so it will become 11 ones and 5 will become 4 10. So 11 minus 3 is what? Yes, 11 minus 3 is what? 11 minus 3 is 8. 4 minus 6. Now we have to subtract the tens. So since there are not enough tens, so we will have to regroup the tens. Means 4 hundreds and 4 tens will become, if we give the 1, so it will become 14 tens and 4 will become what? Yes, 3. So 14 minus 6 is what? 14 minus 6 is 8 and 4 minus 3 is, yes, now we have to subtract hundreds. So 300 minus 100, so we get 200. So the answer is 288. Okay, now see another example. 563, 274, ones, tens, hundreds. Now we will subtract the numbers that are placed at ones place. So we have to regrouping the 6 tens and 3 ones. So if we give the number 1 to 10, so ones will become 13 ones and 6 tens will become 5 tens. So 13 minus 4 is what? Yes, 9. And 5 tens. So now we have to regroup the 5 hundreds and 5 tens. So if we give the 1 to tens, so 5 10 will become 15 tens and 5 hundreds will become 4 hundreds. So 15 minus 7 is what? 15 minus 7 is what? 8. Very good. 8. 4 minus 2 is? 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes. So my dear students, this is how we have to regrouping the number. Regrouping the ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So, and this is how we have to regrouping twice. Okay. So, keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.